So today we're gonna be baking a cake. What kind of cake are we baking? We went over this.
Yeah.
What's that?
Plastic.
Okay. You said crust sticks?
Yeah.
All right, so I guess we're making a red crusted cake. Because that's what was red on the box. Welcome to
Um, Jheiworld.
Jheiworld. So let's read the ingredients. It says heat the oven to 350, and then we have to put
and water and milk.
yes.
You like pink?
No. Do you like purple?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I asked you what color you like. You said purple, so I'm gonna get you the purple one.
Oh yeah, you know what? They got instructions. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
All right, so the first things first, we have to put the mix in here. This is your mix.
Keep going.
Put the rest of it in there. Right. Yeah, all of it. Come on, eyeball. We need 3 of those. Okay, sis. Look at that. What? No shells. No shells. All right, do the other one. You need 3.
Okay.
You was a professional. What? Mommy taught you well. All right, last one. Here we is. The beat.
Mix.
Oh, girl.
Mix.
Well, we still need water and milk. So how much milk do you think? Did we say what? Girl.
Mine. This is like a cake.
Let's see. Delicioso.
Mix.
Red goodness. What cherry? Not like that. Your finger. What tastes like? It's good?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna put everything in a pan. We didn't really explain too much of it because we're just having so much fun. Alright, now we're just gonna pour everything into the pan. Get closer. Oh, get the spoon. Okay, this looks good, right?
I need grapes.
You need both. Oh, here we go. 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Alright. 30 minutes. Alright, so let's put it in.
Let's put it in the oven. Let's put it
On for 30 minutes.
in.
Now what do we do?
I can't see.
That when you get to the part where you pour it in the pan, we were supposed to butter the pan. Yeah, too late.
About yourself. Who are you? Your name? What do you like to do for fun? Let them know.
I'm named Imani. And I went to school because I want the big cake over there.
Right.
Because we chef.
You chef Boyardees. You gotta say Boyardees.
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 There you go. So you don't got it. You don't gotta put it up.
And I have some money.
You got money. What kind of money you got? How much money you got?
It's mine. I'm gonna share with you.
You gonna share it with me? What we about to buy? Where you
I
about to
have
go?
2 money.
You got $2?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What you gonna give for $2?
Some toy.
Some toys for
Yeah.
$2?
Yeah.
For $2.
Yeah.
Imani, how many siblings do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 siblings.
Who?
My cousin.
You have a sister though.
Oh,
You don't know your sister?
I'm going to say Samaya.
Yeah, there we go. Baby sister Samaya. Let's see how long we got. 23 minutes. We got a long time. What should we do? Girl, we're about to go on an adventure.
Can you play that again?
You got a good shot. To wash your dishes. So
Let's put it in. Oh, yeah.
beautiful, gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm just glad that she's at the age where she could do it and I don't have to. We're washing the dishes. We're washing the dishes. We're washing. 15 minutes left. Alrighty. Yo, you bold. You love jumping off this chair, girl. You're scaring me. Oh, girl. Girl, I told you. All right, you got to do a rap for me.
Going ain't money. Go to school.
Keep going. That was good. High five. Okay, so it's done. Look at how beautiful. Want to try it? Want to taste it? Take a piece. Is it hot? Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. It's hot. Now that's hot. We were supposed to have ice in, but plans change.
But it tastes good.
It does taste good. We don't even need icing. You want icing? No. Here you go. That one sounds good. Yeah.
I can flavor
Look.
it.
You got an apron on. Okay.
Well, at least half it.
I'll make it. We make it.
All right, wait. How was it?
Good.
That's fine though. We don't need no sugar. No sugar. You know we can make cake balls. Yeah, cake pops. That's what I said.
It's good.
As you can clearly see, the cake was popping. I mean, like we kind of, yeah, we kind of ate that. No icing, none of that. Tried to wait for the icing, but the icing didn't wait and wait for us. So, anyways,
Okay.
this wasn't much of a cooking show. I don't know what this was, because we didn't even show y'all how to do it. But anyways, thanks for coming to our baking show where we baked a cake and we devoured it. I won't be doing anything like this again because I'm not a baker. But who knows? Who knows? Maybe I'll do that. Did you just fart? Ew. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time on
The video.
See you next time on
Jheiworld.
Jheiworld.